Those 4 LEDs that are blinking rapidly right here, those are the not the brain bug, but it's the bug in the upper left corner of Starship Troopers. And it's a stepper motor, and they're trying to move that stepper motor back to the position that it wants it to be in when the game starts. So these 2 boards, a driver board and the CPU board, are all the way from Switzerland. And I should have had her send some chocolate along with it too. But the main problem with this board, as you can see, was corrosion. So I've abated that, replaced all these small components and this LS138, and it needed a new U213. And you can see I've repaired some traces and added 3 jumper wires as necessary to make the board work correctly. And once I've sanded the board down to bare copper and abated all the alkaline corrosion, I've conformal coated it. You can see that coating on there right now. Board's in pretty good shape. I also changed this power connector, and I will change this power connector before I send them out. GI lamps are working perfectly. So let's put it into test on my test rig. Switch test. And I've got the ball trough switches on to avoid that long operation at the start. So I'm going to go through column 1 and row 1. I just did that on my Pennytech switch matrix tester, and that all works correctly. We're going to test the coils, and I'll make it cycle through the coils. And some of these coil durations are a little longer, and it's going to skip the 4 stepper motor coils. The coil durations are longer or shorter because the game knows what kind of coil it is and what device it's attached to. So it pulses them for different lengths of time. Lamp test, all lamp test. Working properly. Flash lamps. Working properly. Ready.
Do you want to know more, soldier? You don't do your job, I'll shoot you. Come on, you weak!
All right, all good. I've tested the dock controller. It's boring, so I'm not going to go through that. So I think I might have seen a coil that wasn't actuating there, so let me go back and check that again. Dazed. Yeah, coil 14 there. That's going to pick up right here now. So yeah, it looks like we got a little more repair work to do here. Let's go back to coil 14. Need a mini flipper coil, apparently. And here's one of the neat things about Data East. You can say, okay. I was going to say that you could show the circuit, and you can, but apparently you can't for the mini flipper coil. All right then. So let's get that fixed. Other than that, I think we're good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.
Carry on.
So that issue with the mini flipper circuit was just a connector on my test rig. That circuit is working just fine. Thank you again.